Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best fireplace doors is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of home design, yet it plays a crucial role in both safety and aesthetics. Fireplace doors not only enhance the look of your fireplace but also protect your home from sparks and embers. In this video, we'll explore the best options available, helping you choose the perfect door to complement your fireplace and elevate your living space. Number 5. Pleasant Hearth and 1010 Alpine Fireplace Door. Introducing the Pleasant Hearth and 1010 Alpine Fireplace Door. This is a stylish and functional addition to any fireplace. It enhances the look and safety of your home. This door is designed for firebox openings with a width of 30 to 37 inches and a height of 22.5 to 29.5 inches. The overall frame dimensions are 37.5 by 30 inches. It is perfect for smaller fireplaces. The door features a sleek black finish and clear tempered glass. The glass doors open completely, providing a full view of the fireplace. It adds a touch of elegance to your living space. It comes equipped with a standard mesh panel for added safety. This panel helps to contain sparks and embers. It ensures a safer and more enjoyable fire experience. The design includes cabinet doors for easy access. These doors are convenient for tending to the fire. It makes managing your fireplace simple and efficient. The door is equipped with 5-inch easy grip handles. These handles make it easy to open and close the doors. It provides a comfortable and secure grip. What we like. This door is perfect for smaller fireplaces, offering a sleek look with its clear tempered glass. The easy grip handles make it simple to operate. If you have a compact fireplace and want a stylish upgrade, you should consider this. What people say. The doors are heavy-duty and stay latched with the magnetic latch. It took us about 30 minutes to install, and was a fairly simple job with tools we had in the house. The magnets for the doors are pretty strong, so you don't need to worry about the screens popping open if a log shifts, unless it is a massive log. The quality is really great for the price. The metal is strong, and though we didn't need it, they included an extra metal piece that can be attached below the doors if you have a bigger opening. Number 4. Superior Fireplace Replacement Doors, Black. These replacement doors are designed specifically for Superior fireplace models. You can find the model number on a metal plate inside your fireplace. Make sure your model matches one of those listed. The metal tag with the make and model number is located on the inside wall of the firebox. Double-check this before ordering to ensure a proper fit for this product. These bifold fireplace doors feature clear, 3/16-inch tempered glass with safe finished edges. The matte black anodized aluminum frame adds a sleek look. It arrives fully assembled and ready to install. The doors are designed to snap into your existing Superior fireplace setup. Please note that your fireplace must already have tracks and clips installed for this product to work. This product is proudly made in the USA. Do not order unless your model matches one of the listed models. Contact us with any questions you may have. Remember, fireplace doors must be fully opened while the fire is burning. Always prioritize safety when using this product. What we like. This door is designed specifically for Superior fireplace models, ensuring a perfect fit. Arriving fully assembled, it's ready to snap into your existing setup. If you own a compatible Superior fireplace and value a hassle-free installation, it's the ideal choice. What people say. They are beautiful and, most importantly, protect your grandson from harm. Received perfect product, carefully packaged, easy to install, just read the instructions, and fit perfectly. Makes a huge difference with stopping the draft coming from the side vents of the Superior firebox. Number 3. Superior-Lennox 38 Prefab Fireplace Door. Introducing the Easy Door, designed for easy installation. It offers the safety, efficiency, and elegance of a premium custom fireplace door. All you need is a screwdriver and drill to get it set up. This door is specifically made for Superior 38 models. Please check the metal tag inside your firebox to confirm the model number. This door will not fit any other fireplace. Get the look and feel of a custom fireplace door without the custom price tag. It features smooth operating bifold doors and a sleek matte black frame. It's a great value. The door is designed to fit your prefab or zero-clearance fireplace. The dimensions listed refer to the fireplace opening size. The actual product dimensions may be slightly smaller for a perfect fit. The door features tempered clear glass with safe finished edges. It comes with a 2-year warranty against defects in materials, workmanship, and glass. It's proudly made in the USA. Remember, fireplace doors must be fully opened while a fire is burning. Contact us if you have any questions or need help with measurements. Enjoy your new fireplace door. What we like. With its easy installation, this door is a breeze to set up, requiring only a screwdriver and drill. The full 90-degree opening provides an unobstructed view of your fire. If you're looking for a custom look without the custom price and want peace of mind, it's a great option. What people say. Easy DIY install. Great quality. These glass doors fit really nice and it took like 10 minutes to install. Perfect fit and function. Really completes the look of the room. Number 2. Pleasant Hearth at 1002 Ascot Fireplace Door. Introducing the Pleasant Hearth Ascot Fireplace Door. It features a sleek black finish and clear tempered glass doors. This design will enhance the look of any masonry fireplace. This large door has overall frame dimensions of 43.5 inches by 33 inches. It is designed to fit fireplace openings with a width between 36 inch and 43, and a height between 25.5 and 32.5. Please note that this door is designed for masonry fireplaces only. It is not suitable for prefabricated fireplaces. Make sure your fireplace is compatible before purchasing. The door includes a standard mesh panel and bifold doors for easy access. It also has 4-inch easy grip handles for convenient operation. The doors open 180 degrees. The 3 16-inch clear tempered glass doors provide a full view of your fireplace. This allows you to enjoy the ambience of the fire while keeping your home safe. It is a great addition to any home. What we like. This door is designed for larger masonry fireplaces, offering a full view with its bifold doors. The easy grip handles add to the convenience. If you have a masonry fireplace and want a stylish, functional upgrade, it's a great choice. What people say. It is a solid product, good thickness, and looks absolutely great. Doors are magnetic and work well. Overall quality seems very good, it's heavy and the finish is smooth and consistent. The glass and screen doors all feel tight and smooth when opening and closing, and everything lines up perfectly. Number 1. DM1042 Black 42 Glass Fireplace Doors. This fireplace door is designed to significantly reduce heat loss. It helps to keep your home warmer and more energy efficient. With this, you can save money on your heating bills. The DM1042 is very easy to install. You can quickly set it up without any professional help. It's a convenient solution for your fireplace needs. It features clear, tempered safety glass. This provides a beautiful view of your fire while ensuring safety. The glass is durable and can withstand high temperatures. This door is specifically designed to fit EECELHR HC42 Heatolator fireplaces. Please make sure it is compatible with your fireplace model before purchasing. It ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance. This product is available in 2 finishes, black and stainless steel. You can choose the finish that best matches your home decor. It adds a touch of elegance to your fireplace. What we like. This door is designed to greatly reduce heat loss, making your fireplace more energy efficient. The easy installation process saves you time and effort. If you're looking to improve your fireplace's efficiency and safety, it's a perfect fit. What people say. These doors are made for this model and others. When I installed them it took about 4 minutes, which included time for me to clean the glass. I didn't have to adjust them at all as they were a perfect fit, but there are instructions which show that you can adjust them by tightening and loosening the screws on the pins. Purchase the adapter kit for our 1997 manufacture date fireplace directly from the seller and the doors fit perfect. Installation took about 30 minutes including fine-tuning adjustments. Couldn't be more pleased with the quality and appearance of the doors. The best part is that the new door fits well and my fireplace looks so nice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.